Welcome to part 3, the Python Anywhere dashboard. So after creating your account and verifying your email, you should be able to log in. And when you log in, you'll see this home screen, which is called the dashboard. So this has a summary of all the information about your account. So over here on the left side, you'll see that the CPU usage and the file storage are both at 0%. So every day you get 100 seconds of CPU time. We have not used any of it so far. We don't have any files either. So you can launch some consoles over here, which will allow you to run some commands. We will launch a console in a bit. We will also have some files that we upload. So you'll see some stuff over here. Some accounts allow you to start Jupyter notebooks. We don't have that type of account, so we can't run any notebooks. And then our web applications will go over here. The free tier accounts allow you to run a single web application. Okay, so that is the dashboard. That's kind of your home screen for your Python Anywhere account. So we will come back to it as we continue on with our deployment.